Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So today in this class we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 11, Doctor. Okay. So children, our body consists of a number of biological systems, is it? That carry out numerous specific functions, is it? That carry out specific functions necessary for everyday living, is it? So our body consists of several parts and each part consists of, they do certain functions which is necessary for our everyday living. So in this chapter we are going to learn some of the interesting facts about our human body. Okay. So by completing the exercise we will learn one by one. Okay. So now everyone open your textbook in the chapter 11 Doctor. Okay. So children, now everyone open your textbook. Lesson number 11. Chapter name is Doctor and it's in page number 228. Okay. So shall we start? Write T for true or F for false beside each statement. So the first question. An anti-rabies vaccine is given to one who gets bitten by a dog. So the answer is true. Okay. So anti-rabies vaccine is given to one who gets bitten by a dog. The second one, worms are found in our stomach when they may cause stomach ache. So the answer is true. Okay, so there will be worms in our stomach when it causes stomach ache. Next, the third question. Each of us has 2 lungs and 2 kidneys. So the answer is true. So we all have 2 lungs and 2 kidneys. The fourth one. Smoking can cause lung cancer. Yes, it is true. Smoking can cause lung cancer. The fifth one, rheumatism affects elbow and knee joints. Yes, it is true. So rheumatism affects elbow and knee joints. The answer is true. Next, the sixth one. The heart pumps blood to our body with each beat. It is true. Okay, so the heart pumps blood. Okay, the heart pumps blood to our body with each beat. The seventh one, a pediatrician is a heart specialist. It's false, because we call a pediatrician as a doctor who looks after children. Okay, so a pediatrician is a child specialist. Next, our teeth are also a kind of bone. It's true. So even our teeth is also a kind of bone. Okay. Next, the ninth question. Fingernails are the slowest growing part of our body. It's true. So the nails, okay, fingernails are the slowest growing part of our body. The 10th one, our ear has the smallest bone in our body. It is true. So our ear has a smallest bone in our body. The 11th one, our tongue is a nerve that is attached at one end. It's correct. Our tongue is a nerve that is attached at one end. It is true. Next, the 12th one, 75% of our body consists of water. 75% of our body consists of water. It is true. Next, You might get malaria if a mosquito bites you. Yes, it is true. When a mosquito bites us, we get malaria. Okay. So you might get malaria if a mosquito bites you. Next, the 14th one. The eyes of a patient suffering from jaundice often turn blue. It is false. So which color it turns? It is yellow. So the eyes of a patient suffering from jaundice often turns yellow. Okay. Next, 15th one. The lack of iron in our body causes anemia. It is true. So the lack of iron in our body causes the disease called as anemia. Next, the 16th one. A radiologist conducts X-ray test. Okay, so a radiologist conducts X-ray test. It is true. Okay. Next, 17th one. The human body has 206 bones. It is true. So, human body has 206 bones. Next, the last one. The fluid called saliva mixes the food in our mouth. Yes, it is true. Okay, so the fluid called saliva mixes the food in our mouth. So like this, you complete the exercises. Okay, so this was some of the interesting facts which we learned about our human body. Okay. Okay children, now we have completed lesson number 11. Now we'll move on to lesson number 12, cups and trophies. So what do you mean by this cups and trophies? So children, this trophies means it's a symbol or token of victory. Okay, for the outstanding performance in an event. So when we win in any game or a sport, we receive some awards or trophies, all those things. Is it children? So in this chapter, we are going to learn some of the famous trophies and to which sports they are associated with. So in this chapter you can see in this textbook, in your textbook you can see different types, many trophies. Okay, the picture of many trophies and some of the sports also they have given. So what we should do, we have to match these trophies to the sports which they are associated with. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so the what they have given here, given below are pictures of some famous trophies. So you can see here the pictures of famous trophies they have given here. Is it? Yes. So match the name of the sports with which these trophies are associated. Okay, so we should match these trophies to which sports they are associated. Okay, so to which sports, when they win the sports, so which trophies they will be awarded. So we will match the trophies to the sports they are associated with. So shall we start? Yes. So what is the first one? What is this? It is Sweetling Cup. Sweetling Cup is awarded. Okay, so this cup is associated with which sport? Here there are numerous sports. To which sports it is awarded? It is table tennis. Okay, table tennis. So write here I. Okay, so this Sweetling Cup, it is associated with the sport table tennis. Okay, next we'll move on to the second one, Youth Sports Trophy. Youth Sports Trophy is associated with the sport baseball. Okay, so write down H here. So this youth sports trophy is given to the sports baseball. Okay children, so this youth sports trophy is associated with the sport baseball. Next, the third one, Ryder Cup. Ryder Cup is associated to the sport golf. Write down F. Okay, F. So this Ryder Cup is associated with the sport golf. So next we'll move on to the fourth one, Derby Cup. Okay, Derby Cup is associated with the sport horse race. So write down C in the circle, horse race. So Derby Cup is awarded for the sport horse race. Okay. Next we'll move on to the fifth one, ICC World Cup. So this you may all be, you might be knowing. ICC World Cup is associated with the sport cricket. Right? A, cricket. Okay, so ICC World Cup, it's associated with the sport cricket. Next, sixth one, Thomas Cup. So this Thomas Cup is associated with the sport badminton. It is D. Write down D here. Okay, Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. Next we'll move on to the seventh one, FIFA World Cup. FIFA World Cup is associated with the sport football. Write down G. Okay, so FIFA World Cup is associated with the sport football. Next we'll move on to the eighth one, Wimbledon Trophy. Wimbledon Trophy is associated with the sport tennis. So write down B. Okay, Wimbledon Trophy is associated with the sport tennis. Okay children, next the last one, Vanier Cup. So Vanier Cup is associated with the sport rugby. Write down E here. Okay, so write down E in the circle. So like this. So these are some of the famous trophies which are associated with these sports. Like this, you have to match the cups with their, okay, trophies with their sports. Okay children, so like this, complete your exercise, both the exercise lesson number 11 and 12. So here is the time to end the session. So in this session we have completed lesson number 11 and 12. So children, it's the time to end the session. In the next session will be with a new chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.